All right, here we have the high boom Carpenter pencils with 14 refills. 7 are yellow, 7 are black. It's a Carpenter pencil. It's also a long nose, deep hole mechanical pencil marker. So you can drill a hole and mark through the hole with this long nose. That's handy for that. It's easy to load. You can load from here, from the end, and you can adjust this any length you want, and it automatically locks. I can push it out. I can push it in. I can get it wherever I want to. And then this is a great highlighter. So if you want to highlight something, you can do that. It's the same thing. It just has black lead. Same principle. You can load it from the front. Long nose. You can write on things. It writes on wood, writes on paper, whatever you want. And it's very sturdy, very, very heavy duty. It doesn't weigh a lot, but it's built well. And once again, great for a carpenter who needs to be marking things. High boom. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, boom. So you can do anything you want. Goes on wood, goes on paper, very sturdy. The markers are really strong. They're not going to break very easily. And I think they'll last a long time. And I would use it myself. I'm always looking for a pencil to write with, and these would be really handy to have.